Hey kids, welcome to a fun and exciting learning adventure. Today we are going to discover something super cool, that is naming words.
Hi friends, I am Namy and I love names. Do you know what naming words are?
I don't know. Tell me.
Naming words are the word that gives names to people, places, animals and things. They help us talk about everything around us.
Oh, wow, Nami. But can you give me some examples so that I can understand it more clearly?
Okay, Goaty, now let's understand through examples. Look at this boy. His name is Rohan, and Rohan is a naming word because it is the name of a person. Now look, this is a school. School is a naming word because it is a name of a place. Now, Goaty, tell me, what is naming word in this example?
Is dog is a naming word?
Yes, Goaty, you are right. Dog is a naming word because it is the name of an animal. And this ball is also a naming word because it is a thing.
Naming words are everywhere. Let's look at more examples.
Look around. We see a bus, a hospital, and a policeman. These are all naming words.
Oh, Nami, wait. I will tell you. Bus is a thing, hospital is a place, and policeman is a person. Am I right?
Yes, Goaty, you are right. So now let's understand through one more example. Here at the zoo, we can see a lion, elephant, and a monkey. These are naming words because they are name of an animals.
Oh, wow. There are so many things here like dolls, cars, and teddy bears. These are also naming words.
That's right, Goaty. Naming words help us recognize and talk about everything around us.
Now let's play a game. I will say a word and you tell me if it is a person, place, animal or thing. Are you ready?
Okay, Goaty, now tell me, what is doctor?
Oh, I know. It's a person.
Great! Now, what about zoo?
That's easy. It's a place.
Good job! And what is tiger?
A ferocious animal. Grrr.
And finally, what is pencil?
It's a thing we use to write.
People, places, animals and things. Naming words make the world sing. Doctor scored a big brown bear. Everything has a name to share. So Goaty, come and sing along. A ball, a chair, a little cat. We use naming words just like that. Learn with us, come sing along. Naming words make us strong.
Wow, kids! You did an amazing job learning about naming words today.
Yes, now I can name everything I see.
That's right, kids. Keep looking around and finding naming words everywhere. See you next time, everyone, for more fun and learning adventures. Bye bye. And listen, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Bye.